Hello friends, welcome to Defense Series. A UAE-based rifle manufacturer Caracal, which has won a bid to supply 93,000 carbine to the Indian Army, says it has Make in India plan and is looking to have a manufacturing base here for its entire range of small arms which can be exported to other markets. The CEO of Caracal, Hamid Salim Al Amir, spoke to the newspaper through video conferencing. Caracal is an entity within its own rights and has wholly owned subsidiaries in Germany and the USA with a production legacy spanning more than 15 years. The company designs, engineers, innovates and manufactures battlefield-proven firearms. It has won a bid to supply 93,000 carbine to the Indian Army. India already makes 60% of the product it has selected, he said, adding that it is not just this close-quarter carbine for the army. We make our entire range of weapons like pistols. On being asked who is the Indian partner, Al Amiri said, "We await the formal order and will share details of the local partners. We have already identified the required land and will able to commence production to meet the timelines agreed upon with the Indian Defence Ministry. The carbine have to be supplied within 12 months of signing the contract." Al Amiri said, "Our focus remains on delivering a product which is best in quality and tailor-made as per the requirement of the Indian soldiers." On being asked if his company would avail the 75 FDI foreign direct investment route with India allows in defense manufacturing, he said, "We will export all potential possibilities. While engaging with India, we are deeply invested in India. Not only we are preparing to supply quality weapons, the leverages cutting-edge technology, but also facilitates the transfer of technology and research and development facilities to India to build a more substantial ecosystem." On the edge, he said it was an advanced technology group of defense and beyond, and Caracal fell with its missiles and weapon clusters. Friends, do you have any question regarding this topic? Please do comment. If you like our video, please like and subscribe. Jai Hind.